Hey guys, Jay here again with Gerbit. Today we're going to be talking about the basic maintenance that you're going to have to do on your Rzr. In this video it's going to be the Rzr 1000. So I'm going to be going over where exactly the oil filter is, the dipstick, your coolant, everything you need to pretty much look at before every ride, to include like the air filter and stuff like that. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and do this. And if you guys have any questions or anything, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. I get back to them pretty quick, so here we go. Alrighty, so to check the coolant, you'll just go up here in the front. Under the hood, you just got these two tabs here. Then you'll pull straight down after you turn them. And then right here we have the coolant the housing here. So as you can see, there's a min line and a max line, so you just want to check this here, check all your connections, make sure they're good and tight before every ride. And we'll come around here, and this is on the passenger side in the rear. That's where your oil dipstick will be, is right here, so you want to check that before every ride as well. And then once you do your oil change, there's actually a little door. So you come in here through the passenger side, and you have a little door right here. If you take that off, it's a little access panel there. You'll actually have your oil filter. Let's see if I can get you guys. So your oil filter is that black right there. You can see it. So that's the easiest way I found to get to your oil filter, is just through the access panel right here. So after you check, you got your coolant, your oil level, and then the last thing you want to check before every ride would be your air filter. So you just take off the panel here in the back, and then to get your air filter off, all you do is you'll lift up on these tabs. And you'll do all four of them here on the bottom. There's two more as well, and then you'll have your air filter right in here. So as you see, mine is super dirty. We went riding up in Sedona, and this was before the recent rainstorm we'd gotten, and it was just terribly dusty. Actually, it wasn't Sedona, it was up near Williams, since Sedona is all closed. So you'll definitely want to check that and make sure that you clean that out before every trip as well. And then just some things I always carry with me here. I always carry like an extra belt and a fire extinguisher, because you never know what may come up. And then just make sure you check tire pressures and stuff like that as well before every ride. With these tires, I run at 10 psi on all the tires here. But that's pretty much all you have to check for. So it's the Rzr, it's really simple to work on, especially when hooking up lights. All you have to do, like right here, is just you hook it up to the accessory, you run all your wires. You just take this panel here off, and you can run wires and everything that you want to for lighting and stuff like that. But like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below, and I will get back to them pretty quickly. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you have a good rest of the day. Thanks.